Hello students, this is Rakesh Misra present before you with a topic in English drama the play Merchant of Venice. We are going to deal with Act 1 Scene 3 Tutorial 5 125 line on words. In my previous lecture I made you understand how the bitterness and grudges about the past in heart of Shylock is going to be expressed. Shylock had deep rooted hatred, grudges in his heart for Antony. Yet, Shylock is very practical minded, intelligent one. He was a man of wisdom. He was a practical man. On very other hand, you'll find Antonio along with Bassanio. They are not practical one at all. They are knowing well that Shylock is enemy to them, yet they are going to be trapped into the clutches of Shylock. Shylock, being a man of wisdom, decided to trap Antonio so that he could take avenge of past grudges. Luckily, he is going to be successful. Now at the time when Shylock is saying that Antonio, you are in habit to abuse me, to rail me, to criticize me without any reason. You are not only spitting on me but also kicking, criticizing me before number of merchants on Rialto. Yet I had shown only the tolerance, patience. Because having tolerance is a sign, is a badge of Jewish religion. Now the time has come, you have come to me to request me for the help. Now I am ready to assist you, to help you. At this, Antonio becomes furious and saying that I am as like to call thee again. Means I was saying you dog, further I'll say you dog. I was kicking you, I'll kick. I was beating you, I'll beat. I was criticizing you, I'll criticize. I was spitting on you, I'll spit. I was criticizing Jewish community, further I'll criticize. To spit on thee again means to spit on thee again. To spur means to kick thee too. Further, Antonio is saying that I'll behave accordingly as earlier I was doing it. Just like kicking you, spitting on you, abusing you, I'll do the same. Shylock, give money not like a friend but like enemy. Because whenever a person gives money to a friend, never think for the interest. Shylock, give money just like enemy, not like a friend. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not as thy friend, for when did friendship take a breed for barren? A breed for barren word used, it is a phrase that means a product of sterile metal, that is interest here. A breed for barren here means interest here. Means whenever a friend gives money to a friend, never ask for the interest. This is why Antonio is saying that Shylock, I was treating you badly, I'll treat. Don't give money just like a friend, but like enemy. Because whenever a friend gives money to a friend, never ask for the interest. For when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend, but lend it rather to thine enemy. Give me money just like your enemy, who, if he break, thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. Give money in such a way, suppose I would be unable to pay back money, I should have to pay the penalty. Who's saying? Antonio. To whom? Psylocke. How not to give money? Just not like a friend but like enemy. Why? Because whenever friends give money to a friend, never ask for the interest. Psylocke. Why look you how you storm? Now Psylocke is saying, cool down, cool, have patience. Why are you being so furious? Why are you so angry? I would be friend with you and have your love. Whatever I was saying, it's only on account of my love to you. Yet you think that I'm negative, my approach is negative. Forget the same. Forget the same means forget the humiliation, the insult, whatever you did with me. That you stand me with, supply your present word. I'm going to give whatever your requirement. That is 3000 ducats. And take no ducat means no interest of usance. Usance, interest for my money, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer. Who is giving the kind offer? Antonio. He is given kind offer by Psylocke. Why it was kind offer? He is going to give 3000 ducat without any ducat means without any interest. This is why Psylocke is saying that, oh Antonio, don't be furious, don't be angry, cool down, have patience. I'm going to fulfill of your requirement. I'm going to give you 3000 ducats without taking any interest. So no need at all to be furious and angry to me. Bassanio. This was kindness. Definitely this would be kindness, Psylocke. This would be. Actually, Bassanio was in need of money, not Antonio. It was Antonio, for the sake of his best friend Bassanio, requested him for 3000 ducats. So this is why Bassanio is saying that, oh Psylocke, it would be really your kindness. Because Psylocke is going to give him 3000 gold coin. Psylocke is going to give him 3000 ducats without taking interest. A person who is enemy to him, yet that one is going to support him, help him, without taking interest. How do you believe? Psylocke, this kindness will I show. Actually, the statement of Psylocke is here ironical. Taunt, allegory, verbal allegory you'll find more than one meaning, one deeper and one literal meaning. Go with me to a notary, very very important part. Go with me to a notary, seal me there, you single bond and in marriage sport, if you repay me not on such a day. This is bond story. Psylocke is saying that one thing you'll have to do. First, you'll have to go to a court, to a notary house. There you'll have to sign a bond. What would be the bond? If on time means within 3 months you'll get returned back of the money, it's okay. If time crossed, time limit will be crossed, then Psylocke would be allowed to cut 1 pound of flesh, any part of your body, whatever Psylocke would like. What was the term and condition? Within 3 months, if Bassanio and Antonio would be able to return back money, it's okay. If the time limit would be crossed, then Psylocke would be allowed to cut 1 pound of flesh, any part of Bassanio, any part of Bassanio's friend Antonio's body, any part, whatever part of his body organ Psylocke would like. This was term and condition. In such a place, such sums such as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit. Forfeit means penalty. Be nominated for 1 equal pound. Equal pound means 1 equal pound. Hair flesh means flesh of your body. To be cut off, taken in what part of your body placed. So in this way, Shylock becomes ready to give 3000 ducats to Antonio with a term and condition. What was term and condition? Within 3 months, when Antonio would be able to return back of the given money of 3000 ducats, it's okay. If the time would be crossed, Antonio would be bound to give 1 pound of the flesh, whatever part of his body Shylock will like. Shylock would be enabled to cut 1 pound of flesh from the body of Antonio. This was term and condition. Antonio, content, I faith, satisfied, just I believe. I'll seal to such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. Now Antonio is overconfident. And this is why Antonio is saying that, oh Shylock, I'll sign the bond and yet I'll say that Jews are very kind-hearted. Who is saying? Shylock. Is told by Antonio. Antonio is saying that I'll sign the bond, yet I'll say that Jews are very kind-hearted. Okay? Bassanio, you shall not seal such a bond. For me, I'll rather dwell in my necessity. But Bassanio is saying that, oh no Antonio, no, you will not sign a bond, because this is very fearful bond, very dreadful bond. There is conspiracy. I think there is a treacherous mind going to be of Shylock. That's why my sweet Antonio will not sign the bond. This is showing intimacy and close bonding between Bassanio and Antonio. They care each other, they love each other, they like each other, they understand each other. So what relationship is shown between Antonio and Bassanio? Friendship, love, sacrifice. Okay. Thank you. Then we'll study 155 onwards. Next lecture.